Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fikri bin Muhammad Sarif, and my team group is Hafiz and also Hazizat. And for this simulation, I will do the assembly language simulation part, which is part A. So first, I will open the AVR simulator IDE. And then I load my assembly language program. Then I open the microcontroller view, the 7-segment LED display, and also the add LED board. So for the first three tasks, for the switch 0, switch 1 and switch 2, I will run in a normal speed. So it will running. Then I will switch the first switch, which is switch 0, that's supposed to run the add LED board one by one. Running for one cycle. Then you stop here because it will fetching the input from port D, whether the switch is changed or not, and continues if the switch is not changed. And what if I will off the switch first 0 switch and turn on the switch 1, supposed to make the LED board blinking. Yes. Then for the third switch, supposed to show number IC of Hafiz in the 7-segment LED 990914-14-6475, and it will run if the switch is not changed. And for the task 4, for the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, I will run it with step by step because I will explain it. So first, this switch, the fourth switch, so it will finish the last function first, the last task. Then it will blinking the A, which means it will do the addition. So I will give the value here. For example, I give 5 plus with 3. The lower byte is 5 and the higher byte is 3. So it will add 5 plus 3. Supposedly it would give the 8 value at 7-segment LED display. And yes, it gives 8. Then it will blinking the B, which means it will do the subtraction. So for example, I use the same, which is 5 minus with 3, supposed to give 2 value. And 2. Then it will blinking the C, which means it will do the multiplication, which for example, I will multiply 3 times with 3, and it will give out 9 value at 7-segment LED. Then it will blinking the D, which means it will do the division. So I will divide, for example, 15 divide by 3, and it will give out supposedly 5. Yes, it will give 5. Then it will back to the addition back, which means it will signal A blinking, which means it will do the addition, and we will give the input here, whether this is the low byte and high byte, which I make it that the low byte will subtract, multiply, divide by the high byte. And that's all. Thank you.
Okay, good morning, doctor. I'm Hafiz and I'm going to simulate the C programming for our assignment. So this is our coding, the one that is already put into the report. Okay, so this is the AVR. Okay. So first of all, so clear, load, and then load the program, and then start. And this one I'll make fast. Okay, for pin A I put 1 and 1, so the lower will be, so the not 1, 2 and 2, 2 and 2, yes. So okay, so this one I turn to 3 and then 3 for lower byte 3 and then upper byte 2. So this is addition, subtraction, multiply and division. And then for my IC, for this one and this one will be turned off. So we are going to simulate. First of all, I'm going to do addition. So 3 plus 2 will be 5. So this one should be 5. Yes, 5. And then for subtraction, 3 minus 2 will be 1. Okay, so 3 times 2 will be 6. And then 3 divided by 2 will be 1 with remainder 1, but I didn't do the remainder, so only division, so the answer will be 1. Okay, so it will be 1. So for this one I'll do normal, and then I'm going to show the IC. So this one off and then this one off. So will be, it's too fast, is it? I'm gonna go slow. Then it will be too slow. But it's better lah. I'm gonna go normal that. So read as fast as you can. So 99014. Yeah, I think we have to go slow. Step by step now. Go slow. Oh well. 99091-4-6475. And then since this is still the same switch, so it will be looping again. So for my interrupt, I will interrupt the IC. So will be pin INT0 will be, I think will be blinking. So I will interrupt here and it will blink. So this one turn to normal back. Is it blinking or the night rider thing? Oh, it's the blinking one, so 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then 6, and then 7, and then we'll continue back. Okay, so I'm gonna do the night rider. So night rider, I'm gonna stop here around, okay, around here, 9, stop, and then night rider. So night rider, this one is going to go up and then we're going to go down back. Okay, and then we're going to continue the IC. Okay, but just in case, I'm going to change number, so it will be, okay, wait until finish. Okay, so this one is 3 and then this one I'm going to change to 3. So 3 plus 3 will be 6. I'm gonna go fast again. Okay, 3 plus 6, 3 plus 3 will be 6, and then 3 minus 3 will be 0, and then 3 times 3 will be 9, and then 9, and then 3 divided by 3 will be 1. Okay, 1. So for this one, since we only use like only one port, so port B only, So the number we can add, subtract, multiply or divide division would be less than 10, so only 0 to 9. Even though we use 4 bit here, 4 bit upper and 4 bit lower, we can only get the value for 0 until 9. We can get 4 bit if you utilize all the 7 segment, but the one will be if we add another port or IC or use a bigger Amiga. So I guess that's it then. Okay, thank you very much.